I am Pratap Narayan, 92 years old, living in Delhi. I have been suffering from angina for a long time.
My father called me last week and he said he needed me urgently. He was not feeling comfortable, breathless.
Few years back, I had some problem. So I came, my daughter brought me to Max Hospital and we went to Dr Balbir Singh.
Multiple cardiac procedures in past. He came now with a heart pumping efficiency of 20 to 25%. So these patients have a tendency to go into heart failure. I did a procedure which is called CRT-D, which is an advanced form of pacing to improve the heart functioning. I told the family that these are the risks, these are the benefits. And they discussed amongst themselves and said, Doc, we are wanting to go ahead with this technical procedure.
We gave some emergency medicines for him. My father's NT-proBNP score that had shot up to 3,550 actually did come down to 1,200 yesterday. We admitted him for CRT-D, where a different defibrillator was put. His pacemaker was removed.
In this patient, everything right was done and he did so well. Next morning, he walked to his room and said, I can walk 7,000 steps. I'm feeling so well.
I am absolutely back on my normal. So it has been a great pleasure dealing with Dr. Balbir and he is taking enough care of me.